This is an AI.
Hey, Sabri.
And today we're gonna see that it can replace 100 of the employees in my business.
I wasn't expecting things to get this out of hand. This is actually
You look nervous, you Andrew Tate looking mother.
These ads are so much better. It's ridiculous.
And on this USB stick is the wild and scandalous future of marketing that I uncovered in the process. And how you can use it to literally double your ROAS in the next 30 days, guaranteed.
I've done $100 million in my agency. I'm a shark on Shark Tank and have generated my clients over 7.8 billion in sales in over 1,000 different niches. Just over 9 months ago, I had grown tired of hearing about everyone and their mother talk about how AI is coming to replace everyone's jobs.
There's no question artificial intelligence will remake the workplace.
So I wanted to actually put it to the test once and for all. So I turned to ChatGPT. I told her to write me a successful CEO's morning routine. First things first, I headed to the gym to get a diabolical pump. At 8 a.m. I arrived at the office and continued through my AI planned morning routine. Putting together a morning routine was chill, but it was far from actually taking over my business. To do that, it would have to show me that it could actually do the work of my team. Our biggest constraint right now is copywriting. How should I increase the output of my Facebook ads team? What's this? A headline battle? It told me to challenge 3 of my team members in a timed copywriting battle, so I decided to pit them up against ChatGPT to see who could write the best Facebook ads. I'll be the one controlling ChatGPT in this battle against my team, and we each have 5 minutes to produce 5 headlines and a single body copy to sell to our designated avatar.
And so that the winner is completely unbiased, I am bringing my head of paid social in, Seb, to be the judge of which ads are the best. Alrighty, Liz.
Hi, Sabri.
Let's see if ChatGPT can replace my pro copywriters.
You ready? Yep. Your time starts now.
This is Liz, and she has been assigned Madison from Melbourne. The product she's selling is a dental solution to get $1 million smile.
Why am I going through all of these great lengths to set up all of these tests? Well, if you've been running ads online for any length of time, you would have noticed that the cost to advertise just keeps on going up and up and up. The longer that time goes on, the more that these platforms are removing any control from anyone running ads, and they're leveraging their AI to do most of the heavy lifting. We're done.
Wow, I've done my headlines, just not my copy.
3 minutes left.
Time to see how ChatGPT stacks up against copywriter Liz.
Read me your headlines one by one.
Okay. Want a flawless smile without the hefty dental price tag? Unique Dental Tech gives 5,349 women flawless teeth in 30 days.
Not bad. It's got a new and unique solution, so it's unlike anything that I've ever seen or heard before. However, we've also got the social proof of having 5,349 women. And then we've got the big benefit of flawless teeth and also a specificity around time frame of 30 days. Let's see what I came up with ChatGPT.
Cool.
Melbourne's ultimate smile transformation, no more missing teeth. 5, transform your smile, transform your life.
Pretty bland.
The issue with all of these headlines is they are like boiled rice. They lack any spice or specificity. Look at this headline. Melbourne's ultimate smile transformation. No more missing teeth. So there's nothing specific about it other than the location that it is. And the big benefit is missing teeth. So when you run stuff like this, you end up spending 2, 3, 4, or even 10x the cost to get a lead or to get a sale because it's just so watered down and so vague. Now read out your body copy. We took turns reading our copy, and it was clear from the results that ChatGPT wasn't able to produce copy of the same standard as my trained team of copywriters. I didn't even get 1 round. So it's been 6 hours since I've been trying to replace my business with AI, and ChatGPT just isn't coming in clutch. But I knew ChatGPT was not the only tool out there, so I tried optimizing my calendar with an app called Motion, which was cool, but could definitely not replace my actual assistant. tried creating an AI version of myself in HeyGen. Hey guys, Sabri Subi here. And even scoured the internet to see how I could more intelligently prompt ChatGPT to write killer headlines and copy myself. I am 9.5 hours into the experiment and I'm just not getting any progress. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out.
I spent the next 9 months deep in the AI rabbit hole in search for a better way to use it in my business. After many months of mucking around with ChatGPT and pretty much every single AI writing tool that exists on the internet, I have finally done it. I have cracked the code. I developed my own AI software and I fed this thing over $200 million in advertising research. I'm talking about which of the ads that got the highest CTR, which of the ads that brought in the lowest cost per lead and the most amount of ROAS. And this data is responsible for generating over $7.8 billion in sales and ROAS. And I've called this little bad boy Kong. And to show you how powerful this thing is, I'm gonna be pitting it up against some worthy opponents.
Ooh, I've already spit out 171 banger headlines.
Oh my God.
The first one being our good old faithful friend, ChatGPT. 2 minutes on the timer, and we are writing copy for a fine lady called Madison from Melbourne, and we are giving her a solution to give her $1 million smile. Alrighty, let's do it. Let the games begin. At the end of the 2 minutes, we read out the headlines and body copy to compare the quality produced by each AI platform. Don't let dental issues hold you back any longer. Join countless satisfied clients who have transformed their smiles and their lives. Blah, 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 blah. Way too vague, way too watered down. Let's switch gears and have a look at what this spicy little Kong has put together. Did you know 3 out of 4 adults feel self-conscious about their teeth? It's true. Missing, cracked, or decaying teeth can make you feel down. But here's the good news, you feel confident. This isn't just about looks, it's about feeling great. Just hit the link, pick a time that suits you, and let's talk. Man, these ads are so much better than ChatGPT, it's ridiculous. I wonder how it would go against Lewis.
Lewis is one of my senior paid social specialists. He's won the best performing campaigns 2 years in a row, and the man is a beast at copywriting.
Best copywriter at King Kong? Lewis.
Yeah, Lewis is best copywriter for sure.
Yo, how confident are you in going head to head in a headline battle against AI?
Very confident.
If you lose,
Oh no, what's that?
you have to get my face as a semi-permanent tattoo on your body.
Okay. Alright, let's do it.
You are going to be writing an ad for a course that teaches people how to quit their 9-to-5 job and start their own e-commerce side hustle. I'ma fucking destroy him. 5 minutes, your time starts now. This pipsqueak has nothing against my Kong AI. Going to sweep the floor with his ass. 3 minutes left.
Oh my God.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
I've like written 3 headlines.
Once the 5 minutes was up, we read out our headlines and body
3,
copy. Let's
2,
see how Kong
1.
stacks up against my own personally trained king of copy. Give me 3 of your best headlines.
I scaled my e-commerce biz from $0 to 30K per month with this. This gave me the balls to finally quit my draining 9-to-5. I never felt so lost. Oh God, it's not finished.
That's an incomplete headline.
Incomplete headline.
This has spat out 171 headlines.
Crazy.
Add 10K to your monthly income. It's this simple. $100,000 e-com secrets for less than a fancy coffee. How people in their 20s are secretly becoming millionaires. This one is really good. All right, let's move over to body copy.
This e-com strategy skyrocketed my e-commerce business after 14 failed attempts. I always dreamt of quitting my 9-to-5, but I never had the balls.
You don't have a call to action in the ad. You didn't get that far. Waking up to an alarm that feels like a punch in the gut, doesn't it? Dragging yourself to a job that eats away at your soul. But imagine a different morning. One where you wake up, no alarm, no dread. It is so specific and it talks so directly to the target market that it is impossible to ignore. Just pop your email in here. You lose nothing but a few minutes. but imagine if it works. This is what winning copy looks like.
That's ridiculous.
That's insane,
That's
right?
crazy.
Let's actually use this copy, run it live, and let's see what converts and what doesn't. After the battle, we got Lewis semi-inked with a tattoo of my head. All right, so let's go talk to Lewis and get an update on how the Kong ads are performing versus his.
My headline, $3,000 spent, 64 a lead. And then we got the Kong headline, $8,300 spent, 57 a lead. So it's beaten my CPL by $7. 1.16% click-through rate versus a 1.37. So it's a fair bit.
She is spicy.
It's unreal.
Yeah, I actually think it writes better copy than you, Sabri.
Think it writes better copy than you, Sabri. Writes better copy than
Writes better copy than you, Sabri.
Some people think I'm a moody little sucker, but if you ask me, I'm the best goddamn AI writing tool on the internet.
The time has come. It's time for Kong to finally meet its master. I'm going head to head against Kong in the ultimate showdown. So buckle up because it's Kong versus the internet daddy.
I spit out copy that's 10 times better than 99% of copywriters. Yep, I will grab your favorite media buyer by the balls and whisper in his ear, "Who's your daddy?"
Time cap, 5 minutes. Let's roll. All right, we're writing an ad for a property investment company targeted towards a 43-year-old Melbourne man who's looking to replace his 9-to-5 income through property investment.
What you got? You created me, and I'll still kick your ass, you little bitch.
Oh, shut your mouth.
Ooh, I've already spit out 171 banger headlines.
Time's up. Let's read our ads. Millionaire property investor reveals income replacing hack. Millionaire property investor's retirement secret revealed. New legal property scheme replaces 9-to-5 salary in 8 months. How a 37-year-old accountant built a $9 million property portfolio. This is turning everyday Americans into millionaires.
I am gonna bitch slap you back to ChatGPT.
Body copy. 6 a.m. alarm clock goes off. Grab phone and roll out of bed. Sit on the toilet as calendar notifications pop up on your phone. There's no time for breakfast, so you chug down a coffee on your way out the door. Go ahead and read me your ad.
About to choke you out harder than Khabib did Conor McGregor. Millionaire property investor discovers easy strategy to erase 9-to-5 jobs. Tired of your 9-to-5 grind? Try this. Weird property loophole lets you ditch 9-to-5 job. Unusual secret of a millionaire still working a day job. Exhausted 9-to-5er, now millionaire property tycoon. Are you tired from the endless cycle of day-to-day work? That alarm clock forcing you into another day you dread? You're not alone. Imagine a life where you wake up because you're ready, not because you have to. That dream is real because you left that soul-sucking 9-to-5 job behind. Your family has never been prouder. This isn't a fantasy. It's your life, thanks to an unusual property strategy that worked. We've laid out the blueprint in a brand new report. Today, it's yours for free. Just enter your email here.
So there's the 2 ads. I can't be the judge, but what I will say is from the time it took me to write 5 headlines and half a body copy, this thing had written 2 body copies and over 181 headlines. On this USB is an army of 1,000 AI marketing bots that once you plug it into your business, guarantees to increase your ROAS by 20% in the next 30 days. Imagine having an army of 1,000 AI marketing bots in your business that has spent over $200 million on ads, built 1,200 plus funnels in 1,000 plus different niches, and generated over $7.8 billion in sales. Lead gen, e-com, low ticket, high ticket, you name it, it's Chad scaled the fuck out of it. What would that do for your business? What would it be worth? Heck, what do you think that you'd have to pay for something like that? An army of 1,000 AI marketing bots working 24/7 to grow your business. They'll never call in sick, go away on holiday, or leave you the second a competitor offers them more money. Would it be $100K per year? Well, what if I told you that you could get started for just $99 per month? But it gets better. If this AI doesn't drop your cost per lead or increase your ROI by at least 20% in the next 30 days, you don't pay them a single cent. Look, if you've been prompt wrestling with ChatGPT to get some half-baked shit that couldn't sell a lollipop to a 5-year-old, you are not alone. Because most AI copywriting tools suck harder than a Dyson, but Kong doesn't. It's like ChatGPT's better-looking older brother after a couple of spicy margaritas with a vengeance for selling. This little bad boy uses proprietary AI technology that guarantees to increase your ROAS by 20% or you don't pay. Kong acts like a forensic detective and collects stalker-level insights into your dream customer. It then uses these insights and combines them with $7.8 billion worth of marketing intel to spit out Facebook ads, headlines, landing page copy that's better than 99% of copywriters. With Kong, you'll be pumping out 100 times more ads, running more split tests, and iterating your way to the bullseye of your market 1,000 times faster than the competition. AI is changing the face of business, but it's not the AI that you need to fear. It's the AI-wielding barbarians that are riding over the hill on horseback coming from your customers that you need to fear.
So I have put an insane amount of work into Kong to get it to the stage where it's now beating 99% of copywriters. You can request an invitation on the link below and see for yourself what the fuss is all about. This thing is seriously a game changer.